garage reporter here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Imperial Moto down here in sunny and quite breezy Miami, Florida. This place is really cool. It's like a kind of motorcycle auto themed coffee shop, and we just grabbed a cup of coffee and we're here for a 996 meetup. Some of you guys may be familiar with 996 Revival on Instagram and his YouTube channel, and a couple weeks ago he sent me a message and said, hey, if I did a 996 meetup, would you be interested? And I was like, of course I would be interested. And so we're down here today checking out all the awesome 996s, as well as some 993s and 944s and some other awesome Porsches. Stick around and I hope you enjoy today's video.
Start it up.
We just left the show and have kind of moved venues. We're down here at the Citadel in Miami, which is kind of like a little, I don't know, what do you call it? It's like a restaurant conglomerate. Like an indoor food court with like a lot of sort of hipster restaurants and coffee shops, but it's a really cool place. Sorry I didn't do much talking at the show, but honestly there were a lot of people there and a lot of stuff going on, and so it was just kind of hard to talk over everything. So maybe I'll do some voiceovers and Well, you'll already know if I did that or not. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all the cars that were there. There were lots of really cool 996s and other Porsches, and a lot of cool people. I got to meet some subscribers and talk to some other people. And yeah, it was just a really cool place I had never been. I hope they do more meetups like that in the future. We're just kind of enjoying the rest of our day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps out the channel a lot. Also hit the like button as well. That helps other people see the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.